So I received a package from Too Faced. Oh my god! Check this out. These are the new babies. They're called Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Oh my god! Oh my god! Video time! Hi Huneybees! I'm finally back doing videos, but as you can hear, my voice isn't that good because I've been coughing and I've been losing my voice. I'm still on recovery. That's why I've been missing out on videos because I literally have no voice. I have no idea I'm going to do videos for you guys. So I'm so glad I still have a bit more voice back now. So I'm going to start doing all my videos and editing them. So do look out for a lot of my future videos, and do subscribe so that you can be notified on time. So today I'm going to introduce you to a product that is by Too Faced, and they were so sweet to have sent me all 20 shades of their Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. 20 shades of them, and I was thinking what I'm going to do, so I came up with this full face look using just the concealers, of course minusing the mascara and the eyeliner and lipsticks, but my face and my eye makeup is done using the concealers. So how do I achieve that? So watch on! Okay, so I have all 20 shades here. They actually suit different skin tones, going from light to dark. So this is how each concealer looks like. It's really a very big bottle worth of concealer. This is 15 ml, and normal concealer wands are so small only and so thin. If you look at this one, you might even mistake it for a foundation. So in fact, it's infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid to have your skin being moisturized, let your skin look brighter, as well as a smoother and more photogenic look as well. You can actually use it to cover, contour, highlight, and even retouch your makeup. And this is how it looks like. It really resembles the Born This Way foundation bottle a lot. It's just that this is a slimmer and taller one. This is the shade Swan, and when you open it up, you can find this doe shaped applicator, sponge applicator. It actually fits onto the eye contour very comfortably. So what's next is I'm going to try and challenge myself and use these colors as a foundation and contour to prep my skin for makeup, and let's see how it lasts through the day. Okay, so for my foundation color, I'll be using light beige, and I'll probably be going in dots so that I know where I'm mapping the colors. And this diamond shaped applicator is amazing in doing that. So where's my mirror? So here goes. And then for a little highlight, I'll use porcelain. And I'll use porcelain to color correct my eczema patch as well. And as a contour shade, I'll start going in with Honey first. I'll work out if I need a bit more darker later on as a second layer. As you can see, very little amount, just a pea-sized amount. It's very much enough for the whole makeup look. Okay, I'm gonna start blending the colors and see if I need a second layer later. Okay, that still looks pretty decent for my contouring. I might just want to do a little bit more touch up, a second layer, and I'll be going back with the same colors, which is porcelain to conceal a bit more, and honey just to contour a little bit more. So what I'm going to try next is to use those shades to create a nice nude contoured eye look as well. And then I'll set everything with translucent powder. So let's go! Okay, I will start with toffee first, and I'll use it over here. See here. Just pick up very small product amount. I'm just gonna do this using the applicator to work out the angles. Okay, looking good so far. And I'll just use the blender to just slightly blend it out a little. Okay, and then using Swan. Just a tad here underneath the brows to lift up the brows and to give it a highlight. In a corner, and I'll blend out again. Be sure to switch around, otherwise the colors might get mixed up. So and one last color. Almond. And I'll use it to mark out the inner corner here. So you can see it's really very easy to manipulate this applicator, and you can actually use it to create your crease cut. Okay. And there you have it. Even my eye makeup is done. Okay, I'm gonna like do the other eye, set with powder, and then I'll be back. Alright, so there you have it. A very simple look to go from day to day using just the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So you can see my eyes are done. I just need a little bit of eyeliner, mascara, eyebrow. You can add a bit of cheek colors, but for me I just add a bit of lip color, and I think I'm fine to go out through my day. And it's really very lightweight. It's not like I have slapped on a lot of products onto my face, because as you can see I actually use the dotted method, and using the beauty blender you actually have a very light layer, and all you need is just translucent powder to set everything, and then setting spray, and I think I'm good to go through the day. So I hope you guys like this little challenge that I did and would actually consider looking at this new product by Too Faced. I really love him. I've been using almost every day because of the doe shaped applicator. It's so easy to get concealer done within minutes, within seconds, and I think I like how this look looks like, and with just these few products I can actually create my whole makeup look already, and I think that's really good. It's really time saving and product saving as well. So I think you guys can actually consider these Too Faced babies, and do look out for more videos as I have more to share with you guys. Hope to see you guys soon, and do subscribe. Bye!